Hi guys, good day, good night, wherever you are. How are you today? Welcome back to the Hot Kitchen. Welcome back to Safi's Hot Kitchen. Today is just a quick tutorial on how to set your category, how to make sure that you place your content, place your videos in the right category. Because choosing the right category will help your video to appear in search results and recommend videos for viewers who are interested in that topic. So it's important for you to have your content slash videos in the right content. What this does, it's important because what this does, placing your content in the right category will allow you to be paid the correct amount for that video. Okay, so what I'm saying is we've got loads of different categories. We've got music, we've got short videos, we've got a lot of different categories: education, entertainment, and all of these categories are paid differently. So for example, you know that the shorts are paid lower. You know that entertainment is paid lower. So if whatever your content is, if it's to do with vehicles, you wouldn't want to know that is defaulted in entertainment, even though YouTube will place them according to their knowledge. But it's important for you to check to see and also to place your content where you think it's best to be placed. I'm gonna go very quickly. I'm gonna show you how to do that, guys. It's important that I show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is to have Chrome, right? Chrome, that one there, Chrome. You need to have Chrome, okay? So I'm gonna go into Chrome right here. And when I get into Chrome, what you need to do, you need to get to channel content, okay? So you will get to your desktop. You need to click on channel content right here. You can see that, okay, right. In here, I've got loads of videos. However, I am going to be looking at, let's say, one of the cooking videos. I'm going to be looking at that, and I want to place one of them in a content for you to do. So what I do, I go on to videos, okay? Videos right here. And now from video, I am going to check. If I want to check all of these boxes here, I can click in this one, right? I can click here, but I don't need that. I just want to place this one in a category. And this one is based on education. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the box. I'm checking the box. So I check the box, right? And then right here, you can see edit. Right here, you can see edit. You need to click on edit. So when you click on edit, it comes up like this, right? You need to choose the category that you want. This is important. This is important right here. Right here, you have categories like you need to click category right there. After clicking category, it will take you to this. For my channel, for my page here, this is set as default. This one is default, but I don't need this. What I need is to go to the down arrow here. Whilst I go to the down arrow, then you can choose. These are all the categories that are there. You can choose the category that you want to place in. I'm choosing education. I am choosing education because I want this particular video to go into the category of education. And so I'm updating that. I am updating that. And once you update this, then YouTube would have this particular video as education. It will have this particular video as education. And you might want to ask, Savis, why is that so important? Why is that so important? So it's been updated now as education. If you want to know, you can go on the information button and it will take you there. But you might ask, why is it important for us to have the categories? I'm going to tell you why it's important, because the latest data came out to say that for these categories here, these channel categories here, the amount that has been paid for 1,000 views. So we know that short videos are paid the least, okay? And it's 8 cents per 1,000 for short videos. For the music, for the music of category, it is 70 pence per 1 kg. For entertainment, it is $1.60. For pets and animals, $1.30. For gaming is $2.60. For how to, like if you cook and you want to say how to fry chicken, how to do the hair, that's $3. For education is $4.30. So I'm just saying to you guys that the different categories determine what YouTube pay you for. The different categories. So if you've got, for example, an educational educational video, and education is $4.30 according to the statistics, $4.30 per 1,000K. If you were to have your video, let's say that education in music, then you would be paid less. So that's why it's important that you do have your contents, your videos in the correct category. And we know that creators don't get paid. We know that creators do not get paid for views before the channel was accepted in YouTube partner program. So if you've got your videos before you're monetized or accepted into YPP, you know that they will not be looked at. And also, shorts can be accounted for a large percentage of views, yet generate very little revenue compared to regular videos. So guys, it is important, it is so important for us to make sure, if you do not take anything away from this, make sure that your videos are in the right category. All you need to do is to go to Chrome. You need to go to the content channel. You need to select the video. You need to choose. Yeah, once you select the video, edit. It's at the top. Choose the category. And that way, guys, we all know that you will be gaining. You will be gaining once your video is placed in the correct content. Guys, thank you so much. This is Savis Hot Kitchen, and thank you for your support. Thank our members for supporting us and for believing in the channel. And guys, we continue to bring you these small tips as to how you can increase your revenue on YT streets. Guys, thank you so much. This is Savis Hot Kitchen. Do the do. Get your channel sorted and start gaining from the YPP program. Thank you.